occupied. You see him? You want me to go with him? All right. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mike. Go see him. Come with me. Come on. Come on. Want to go see Mike? Come on. Can you go give him 5? Why not? He's a friend.